Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Diman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the chopper. In earlier lecture I have give a brief about the chopper basically. So what is a chopper? Chopper is a device which converts the fixed DC into a desired DC. Okay, so we'll discuss over here the feature of the chopper, the working principle of chopper, and what are the basic classification of choppers. So the feature of chopper we will talk about. So chopper is a static device that converts the fixed DC input voltage to a variable DC output voltage directly. So variable DC output voltage is nothing but the terms of use for the desired DC output as per our load. So DC equivalent of AC transformers as it behaves in an identical manner. So we just convert the AC into equivalent DC and then we utilize that DC as an input for the chopper, and we will get the desired output processing that particular DC input. Then next is the more efficient than AC transformer as they involve in one stage conversion. Like in AC transformer, the power is transferred from one circuit to another circuit, or we can say that the voltage level is step up and step down, but that is the number of stages include. But here we directly convert the input into output, so we just you can say that it is a single stage conversion, so that is more efficient. The next is they offer smooth control, high frequency, fast response, and regenerations. So DC choppers have a very smooth control operations, and they can operate on the high frequency and very fast response, and we can say they have a regeneration capacity as well. So a chopper can behave like a step up or step down DC device, we can say, because we are giving the fixed DC and we are getting the desired DC. Desired DC can be a high level of DC voltage, so or the low level of DC voltage as well. So chopper can be operated in either a continuous or continuous current conduction mode. Okay, so chopper can be work in a continuous or discontinuous current mode. Both will be operated using the chopper. So chopper can be built in with or with sound electrical isolation. So there is no need of actually isolation for the DC voltage level, but still to minimize the harmonic losses or heat losses, we utilize the isolation as well. They find application in trolley cars, marine host, that forklift lift or trucks, and main haulers, we can say. So there's a lot of application of DC choppers where we utilize the variable DC or desired voltage. Elementary principle, we will talk about the DC chopper. They have a high speed on off semiconductor switches, and it connect the source to load and disconnect the load from source at a high speed. So they have automatic operations as per their characteristics. So they connect the source to load and disconnect the load from the source at a high speed in comparison to other kind of power electronic devices. So during the continuous triggering on and triggering off at rapid switching will take place. So we can say that it will have a high frequency switching capacity. So on and off triggering will be done at a very high speed. So by varying on and off time of SCR, the average voltage across the load can be varied. So by varying that particular time on and off, we will manage the load variations as well. Then we'll talk about the classification of chopper. So a wide variety or wide range of choppers are available nowadays in industries for the particular application as well. So depending upon the direction of the output current and voltage, chopper can be classified in 5 categories basically. So these are the main categories. That is class A, that is one quadrant operation. Class B, that is again one quadrant operation. Class C, that is 2 quadrant operation. Class D, that is 2 quadrant, and class E, 4 quadrant. Then now the quadrant means over here like this one. Okay, so this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, okay, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant, we can say. So these are the 4 quadrant operations we utilize. So our E chopper is the universal chopper that is work in basically in 4 quadrant all one. Otherwise C and D in 2 quadrant and A and B in 1 quadrant operation. introduction. Based on the output voltage, chopper can be classified step up chopper, that is also known as the boost chopper, step down chopper, that is known as the buck chopper, and the combination of step up and step down, that is buck boost chopper, we can say. Okay, then further classification of chopper is basically depending upon their own of switching characteristics. They can be hard switch converter and they can be soft switch converter as well. Okay, so the power loss is high during the switching on off conditions, and that result in the non-zero voltage and current on the power switch in the hard switch converter, whereas in the soft switch converters the power loss is low at the time of switching, so they as a result of zero voltage current at on the switching devices. Thank you very much. This is all about the chopper introduction. Please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us for more videos on chopper. Thank you.